Hi, welcome to my blog. In this capsule, I will present you from my point of view the best of Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Word is a widely used software that enables users to process text with the help of various tools. The possibilities are endless on Microsoft Word and are accessible to many types of users. In the book Microsoft Office 365 and Office 2019, various tools and features are presented, many of which can be useful in business settings, such as forms. By the experience I've gained by being in the PwC's business program, I can say that efficiency is key. On a daily basis, companies have to be efficient to save time and money. Well, forms allows them to do that. For instance, forms on Word can be used by companies to take order from customers, as shown right here with the example of the M Butchers. The M Butchers uses this catering order request as it is much more efficient than hiring employees who are solely responsible for taking orders through phone calls.
Now, let's see how the company's catering order request form works. To create this form, the company used Developer tab to add action buttons. Then, the M Butchers protected the form, which stops users from editing the form. With restricted editing, users can only change information in the action buttons. For instance, here is how Jonathan Forbes, a customer, would enter his information into the form. As shown, it is extremely easy for the customer to add information. It is efficient for both the company and the customer. After completing the form, Jonathan Forbes would simply send the catering order request to the email address featured here.
Microsoft Excel is an extremely polyvalent spreadsheet software that can be used for professional and personal purposes. Its features range from table to chart as well as many other useful tools. From my perspective, one of the most useful tools on Microsoft Excel is definitely the pivot charts and pivot tables. Again, for the same purpose of being more efficient, pivot tables and pivot charts are loved in business settings as they save time and are very flexible. In brief, those tables and charts are designed to create data summary that analyze worksheets with large amount of data. They are fully customizable as users can add or remove fields in just a few clicks really. This explains why pivot charts and pivot tables are some favorite of mine on Excel. Thank you for watching this capsule. If you liked it, be sure to come back on my blog for many more videos to come. Thank you!